Hey guys, it's Angelo on Wheels. Guess what I have here? 2025 Raptor R. That's right guys, it's the Predator. 5.2 supercharged, 700 plus horses. The question is this a good daily driver? I think it is. Let's go ahead and do a quick walk around, then we'll go to POV drive. $700 plus horses. 11,000 miles. Be real careful. $100,000 truck here. But the question is it a great daily driver? I think it is. Let's take it for a quick spin. Alrighty guys, and this one is available for sale at Apple Ford Lincoln here in Columbia, Maryland. I'll put the links in the description. We're gonna open her up a little bit, but not too much because this is a special car, you know, and it's gonna have a great home. So we're just gonna open her up a little bit, get a slight feel for it. How does it make you feel? It makes you feel like you're in charge, to be honest with you. Just hearing that engine, knowing that there's 700 plus horses under the hood, it's a special truck. Open up a little bit right here. It's a very special car. Alrighty guys, and we're back. So wow, what an amazing truck. Driving it, it's a crazy experience, you know, just knowing that there's 700 plus horses there and knowing that it's such a special truck. Anyway, thank you for making it this far. If you like this kind of content, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I got more cool stuff coming up. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next one.